Welcome to the Driving Traffic to Your Affiliate Links course. In this course, we'll be covering the most effective strategies for driving traffic to your affiliate links so you can increase your commissions and grow your business. Lesson 1. Understanding Affiliate Marketing. Before we dive into the strategies for driving traffic to your affiliate links, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing in which you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You promote these products or services by sharing a unique link that is tied to your affiliate account. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right products to promote, create valuable content that promotes those products, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. This course will focus on the last piece of the puzzle: driving traffic to your affiliate links. Lesson 2. The power of SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of optimizing your website or content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. By optimizing your content for relevant keywords, you can attract more organic traffic to your website, which can result in more clicks on your affiliate links. To get started with SEO, you'll need to research relevant keywords. Use keyword research tools to find keywords that are relevant to your niche and have high search volume. Optimize your content. Use your target keywords in your headlines, subheadings, and throughout your content. But be careful not to stuff your content with too many keywords. This can hurt your rankings. Build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your content. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher your content will rank in search results. Lesson 3. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok can be powerful tools for driving traffic to your affiliate links. Here are some tips for using social media to promote your affiliate products. Choose the right platform. Different platforms work better for different niches. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, Instagram may be a better platform for you than Twitter. Create valuable content. Your social media posts should provide value to your audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or tips related to your niche. Use hashtags. Hashtags can help your posts reach a larger audience. Research relevant hashtags for your niche and use them in your posts. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Respond to comments and messages from your audience and build relationships with them over time. Lesson 3. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok can be powerful tools for driving traffic to your affiliate links. Here are some tips for using social media to promote your affiliate products. Choose the right platform. Different platforms work better for different niches. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, Instagram may be a better platform for you than Twitter. Create valuable content. Your social media posts should provide value to your audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or tips related to your niche. Use hashtags. Hashtags can help your posts reach a larger audience. Research relevant hashtags for your niche and use them in your posts. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Respond to comments and messages from your audience and build relationships with them over time. Lesson 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful way to build a relationship with your audience and promote your affiliate products. Here are some tips for using email marketing to promote your affiliate products. Build your email list. Offer a free resource, such as an ebook or video course, in exchange for your audience's email address. Segment your list. Segmenting your email list allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers. Provide value. Your emails should provide value to your subscribers. This could include product reviews, exclusive deals, or helpful tips related to your niche. Use compelling subject lines. Your subject lines should be attention-grabbing and make your subscribers want to open your emails. Include clear calls to action. Make it clear to your subscribers what action you want them to take. This could be clicking on a link to a product you're promoting or signing up for a free trial. Lesson 5. Paid advertising. Paid advertising can be a powerful way to drive traffic to your affiliate links, but it can also be costly if not done correctly. Here are some tips for using paid advertising to promote your affiliate products. Choose the right platform. Different advertising platforms work better for different niches. For example, Facebook ads may work better for a B2C, business-to-consumer business, while LinkedIn ads may work better for a B2B, business-to-business business. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on advertising, and set a daily or monthly budget accordingly. Create compelling ads. Your ads should be attention-grabbing and make people want to click on them. Use eye-catching images or videos, and write compelling copy that highlights the benefits of the product you're promoting. Use targeting options. Most advertising platforms allow you to target your ads to specific audiences based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Use these targeting options to ensure your ads are seen by the right people. Monitor and optimize. Keep an eye on your ad performance and adjust your campaigns as needed. This could include tweaking your targeting, adjusting your bids, or testing different ad creative. Lesson 6. Leveraging influencers. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals who have a large following on social media or other online platforms. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their audience and promote your affiliate products to a wider audience. Here are some tips for leveraging influencers to promote your affiliate products. Find the right influencers. Look for influencers who have a large following in your niche and whose audience matches your target market. Build a relationship. Before approaching an influencer, build a relationship with them by engaging with their content, commenting on their posts, and sharing their content with your audience. Offer value. When approaching an influencer, offer something of value in exchange for promoting your product. This could include a commission on sales, free products, or exposure to your audience. Be clear about your expectations. Make sure the influencer understands what is expected of them in terms of promoting your product, and provide them with the necessary resources, such as product images or videos, to make it easy for them to promote your product. Lesson 7. Consistency and patience. Finally, it's important to remember that driving traffic to your affiliate links takes time and effort. It's unlikely that you'll see results overnight, so it's important to stay consistent and be patient. Here are some tips for staying consistent and patient. Set realistic goals. Set goals that are achievable and measurable, and track your progress over time. Stick to a schedule. Create a content calendar and stick to a consistent posting schedule. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your traffic and conversion rates, and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay motivated. Affiliate marketing can be challenging at times, so it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Celebrate small wins along the way. And don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Congratulations! You've completed the Driving Traffic to Your Affiliate Links course. By implementing the strategies we've covered in this course, you'll be on your way to driving more traffic to your affiliate links and growing your business.